under pressure from McDavid.
As far as bad news goes, it doesn't get any worse than this for the Edmonton Oilers.
Here's McDavid with a shot up high. Oilers makes the save.
As the star rookie fell, the crowd collectively held its breath. Today, the team's general manager confirmed McDavid's left collarbone is broken.
He'll be out indefinitely and not week to week. We're talking about months.
Gets tripped.
News of the injury provoked quick reaction.
My first thoughts are with the kid himself. He's 18 years old. He's trying to make his mark. I wish him well. I hope he recovers quickly.
I'm hoping one guy doesn't make a team.
Connor McDavid.
Drew Remenda is part of the Oilers broadcast team. He knew right away last night it wasn't good.
The impact, the force of the impact, you knew it was going to be bad. So it was heartbreaking because your stomach just sinks.
Pouliot to McDavid.
The Oilers' struggles have been well documented. Out of the playoffs for 9 straight years, McDavid was changing all that, quickly becoming one of the team's best players.
He's a very bright-eyed kid that comes in and you know makes everybody's day. He comes in and he's always happy, and so that'll be missed.
His absence already is. Teammate Taylor Hall offered these words of encouragement after the morning skate.
He's the guy that's going to fight through it, and he's going to come back strong, but that doesn't negate the fact that we're going to be without a great player and a great kid for a long time.
And it's not just the Oilers who are going to miss McDavid. He made watching the game exciting, a marketer's dream, the future face of the league.
As soon as I'm done here.
Whether it was this popular commercial with hockey legend Mark Messier or the sale of his jerseys, the kid was already being compared to Sidney Crosby, Mario Lemieux, and Wayne Gretzky. Now he's on the sidelines indefinitely as the game's most talked about collarbone gets fixed. Mindari Wall, CBC News, Edmonton.